So if we try it right away, it won't work because the character is already at the top and it doesn't reset itself. So let us do something that will actually reset it so that we don't have to drag it down manually. But let's go to motion and let's go select go to. And if we go to go to, we want to put this at the extreme top. So each time we click when that happens, and we want to change this to negative 91. So now, each time we click the when button, it's going to come right back to negative 91. So now when we click the up arrow key, it goes up, it stops, it doesn't come back down as yet, it just stops for now. And then and then if I press the when button again, it comes back to the original spot. But I want it not just to stop, but I want it to come back down. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here and I'm going to change my height from 0 and I'm going to make it negative 10 so that it can fall. So now if I click the up arrow key, it goes up and it falls. Good. This time it falls and it comes off the screen. I don't want it to come off the screen. I actually want it to stay visible. So I'm going to have to go back to control, grab another if block, and this time I'm going to go to my operation. I'm going to say if it goes below a certain value, then I want to set my height to a specific. So I'm going to go back to motion now and I'm going to grab my Y position. I'm going to drop it here. And so now I'm going to say if my Y position goes below negative 91, because that's where my ground level is. If it goes below negative 91, I'm going to stop it. So let's go back to variable and I'm going to grab my variable because I want to set it to 0. So now I can say if it goes below negative 91, I can set my variable to 0. So now I can play it. It goes, see what happens when I played it a while ago. It comes right at the original spot because of this variable here that I have there. So now I'm going to play. And when I play it, it doesn't really do anything yet because the variable is way below negative 91 and it won't, and this fix it at 0 if that happens. So now I'm also going to go back to my go to variable and I'm going to take this variable and I'm going to stick it there as well. And I'm going to say negative 91 as well there. So it will go back to 0 and it will go back to its original spot as well. So when I click it now, it goes up and it comes down. And there we go. We have a character that is jumping. And that's the end of this video. In our next video, we will look at the character walking.